Good morning, students. In this video, I'm going to show you how to animate objects in a PowerPoint slide. Now let's get started. To animate our object, to begin with, let's select an object inside a PowerPoint slide. Let me go to slide 3 and select the mangoes object. And then I'm going to click on the drop-down list so that I can do some bit of explanation there. The first selection that you see there, that is the default, is none, which means no animation has been applied to this particular object. The second category that you see is there is the entrance. These entrance animations control how the object enters the slide. The second one is the emphasis. Okay, while the object is on the slide, often triggered by mouse click. For example, you can set the object to spin when you click on the mouse. The third one is the exit. This controls how the object exits the slide. For example, with the fade option, the object will just fade away. The last one is the motion path. These are similar to emphasis effect, except that the object moves within the slide along a predetermined path like circle. Now you also have the more entrance effect, which you can actually select from. Now let's add an animation to our object. You can click on the drop down arrow and then select one. I can select the fly in, and then the effect will be applied to our PowerPoint object. As you can see here, there's a small number on top which indicates that this particular object that you see here has been animated. You can also see the star just below the slide number 3, which shows that this slide has been animated. Some effect options, some animations will have effect options which you must be able to change either the direction or whatever effect options are under a particular animation. So you can change those effect options here. Let's select like from left, and you can see how this object is entering the slide. You can also preview it here just to see how it plays. We can remove the animations by selecting the number and then click on delete press delete on the keyboard. Adding too many animations can distract your audience and your presentation can look silly. So it's very important to always animate when it's necessary or where you need to just emphasize. Thank you for being part of this lesson. In the next lesson, I will explain to you how to work with animations in a PowerPoint presentation.